We humans have pondered life's big questions for millennia, from the vastness of the cosmos to the intricacies of the human brain. Our curiosity knows no bounds. But let's face it, sometimes the simplest questions are the most intriguing, like what shape is our planet? Really, you might think this is a no-brainer, but the cosmos loves a good curveball. For centuries, the round Earth model has reigned supreme. It's the model taught in schools, depicted on maps, and even confirmed by countless astronauts. Yet, in a world increasingly fascinated by alternative facts, the flat Earth theory has gained surprising traction. Picture a cosmic frisbee hurtling through space. That's the gist of it. And if you thought that was wild, hold on to your telescopes, because there's another contender in the ring. The donut Earth hypothesis. Yes, you read that right. A donut in space. So buckle up as we embark on a thrilling, gravity-defying exploration of these competing theories. We'll delve into the evidence, the arguments, and the sheer absurdity of it all. Because in the grand cosmic scheme of things, a little laughter is always a good thing. Let's start with the familiar, the round Earth model. This theory posits that Earth is a sphere, or more accurately, an oblate spheroid, a slightly squashed sphere. It's a concept backed by centuries of scientific observation and a healthy dose of common sense. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence is the curvature of the horizon. As you stand on a beach and watch a ship sail away, you'll notice it disappears hull first, then mast last. This wouldn't happen if Earth were flat. It's like watching a car drive over a hill. The curvature hides the lower part first. Then, there are the countless satellite images beaming back stunning views of our blue planet. From space, there's no mistaking Earth's spherical shape. It's right there, floating in all its cosmic glory. And let's not forget the brave astronauts who have ventured into space and witnessed Earth's curvature firsthand. They've seen it with their own eyes, taken photos, and even performed experiments to confirm it. Now let's step into the world of the flat Earth theory, where things get a little interesting. Proponents of this model believe that Earth is a flat disk, often depicted with the North Pole at the center and an impenetrable ice wall surrounding the edge. Antarctica in their view. This ice wall, they claim, prevents people from falling off the edge. Think of it like the bumper rails at a cosmic bowling alley, but instead of pins, you've got an endless abyss. Now, how the sun and moon work in this model is a bit of a head-scratcher. Some flat earthers propose that the sun and moon are much smaller than scientists claim, and that they circle above the disk like celestial spotlights. This, they argue, explains day and night. As for seasons, well, that's still up for debate in the flat earth community. Section 4, Donut Earth. Now we're thinking outside the box. Hold on to your coffee mugs, folks, because we're about to enter the delicious realm of the Donut Earth hypothesis. This theory suggests that Earth is, you guessed it, shaped like a giant donut, or torus, if you want to be technical. Imagine a massive cosmic pastry, complete with a hole in the middle. That's the basic premise. Now, this model might seem utterly absurd at first glance, and it is, but it's also surprisingly difficult to disprove with just casual observation. Think about it. We experience day and night on a donut Earth just as we would on a spherical one. Gravity, well, that's where things get a little sticky. More on that later. Section 5, Gravity, holding it all together, maybe. Gravity plays a crucial role in the shape of planets and stars. It's the force that pulls everything towards the center of mass. In the case of a round Earth, gravity pulls equally from all directions, resulting in a spherical shape. The flat Earth model, however, struggles to explain gravity. If Earth were a flat disk, gravity should pull everything towards the center, not straight down as we experience it. This would make living on the edge a rather precarious affair. The Donut Earth model faces its own set of gravitational challenges. With a hole in the middle, the gravitational pull wouldn't be uniform. You'd experience different gravitational forces depending on your location on the donut. Section 6, exploring the evidence or lack thereof. So how do these theories stack up against actual evidence? Well, the round Earth model has mountains of evidence supporting it, from the curvature of the horizon to satellite imagery and astronaut observations. It's a theory deeply rooted in scientific observation and mathematical calculations. The flat Earth and donut Earth models, on the other hand, rely heavily on speculation conjecture, and a healthy dose of skepticism towards established science. While it's healthy to question everything, it's also important to base our understanding of the world on verifiable evidence. The lack of concrete evidence for a flat or donut-shaped Earth hasn't stopped these theories from gaining a cult following. In an age of information overload and social media echo chambers, it's easier than ever for alternative explanations to take root and spread. Section 7. The universe, full of surprises. So what's the real shape of Earth? While the round Earth model remains the most plausible and scientifically sound explanation, it's always good to keep an open mind. After all, the universe is full of surprises, and who knows what strange and wonderful discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space. Perhaps one day we'll encounter a planet shaped like a pyramid, a cube, or even a giant rubber ducky. Until then, let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep laughing at the cosmic absurdity of it all, because when it comes to the universe, anything is possible, right?